The impact of AI and automation on organizational structures. Artificial intelligence and automation are transforming how businesses operate, reshaping organizational structures, job roles, and decision-making processes. From automating repetitive tasks to enhancing strategic decision-making, AI is driving efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling organizations to become more agile. In this lesson, we'll explore how AI and automation are changing traditional organizational structures, the challenges businesses face, and the best strategies for integrating these technologies effectively. How AI and automation are reshaping organizations. The adoption of AI and automation is forcing companies to rethink their organizational design. Some of the most significant changes include 1. Flatter hierarchies. AI-driven decision-making reduces the need for multiple management layers, enabling faster communication and execution. 2. Dynamic teams. Organizations are shifting from rigid department-based structures to project-based, cross-functional teams that can rapidly adapt. 3. Workforce transformation. Automation is replacing repetitive tasks, while AI is augmenting human roles, leading to new skill requirements and job redesign. 4. Data-driven decision-making. AI-powered analytics allow businesses to make real-time, data-driven decisions, reducing reliance on intuition and hierarchical approvals. 5. Decentralized operations. AI enables remote work, virtual collaboration, and decentralized business units that can operate independently yet remain interconnected. Types of AI and automation in organizations. 1. Robotic process automation, RPA, automates repetitive tasks such as data entry, payroll processing, and compliance reporting. Pros: increases accuracy and efficiency while reducing labor costs. Cons: can lead to job displacement if not managed properly. 2. AI-powered decision-making. Uses machine learning algorithms to analyze trends, forecast outcomes, and support executive decision-making. Pros: reduces bias, improves accuracy, and accelerates strategic planning. Cons: requires strong data governance and continuous model improvements. Intelligent virtual assistants. AI chatbots and voice assistants handle customer service, scheduling, and internal HR inquiries. Pros: enhances efficiency and availability of services. Cons: lacks human empathy and may struggle with complex queries. 4. Smart manufacturing and supply chains. AI optimizes production schedules, inventory management, and logistics. Pros: improves operational efficiency and reduces waste. Cons: high initial investment in technology and integration. Challenges of AI and automation in organizational design. 1. Workforce resistance. Employees may fear job losses, requiring proactive upskilling and communication. 2. Ethical concerns. Bias in AI models, data privacy, and transparency issues must be addressed. 3. Integration complexity. Merging AI systems with existing workflows requires careful planning. 4. Cultural adaptation. Organizations must foster a culture of innovation and adaptability. Best practices for AI-driven organizational transformation. 1. Align AI initiatives with business strategy. Ensure AI adoption supports long-term organizational goals. 2. Invest in employee upskilling. Provide training programs to help employees adapt to new AI-driven workflows. 3. Foster a hybrid workforce. Combine human expertise with AI capabilities to enhance productivity. 4. Monitor and adapt. Continuously evaluate AI performance and make necessary adjustments. AI and automation are not just reshaping how businesses operate, they are redefining what an organization looks like. Companies that embrace these technologies thoughtfully will gain a competitive edge, while those that resist may struggle to keep up in an increasingly digital world.